Today I'm going to show you how to apply a template to an existing PowerPoint presentation. So this is a two-step process. The first thing you want to do is find what you want to use as a template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go File, I'm going to say New, and I'm going to say Blank Presentation. Okay, and right over here, we are going to just add in a couple new slides, and this now you will see is a very boring blank presentation. Now, perhaps I would like to use this presentation in this presentation. So what we're going to do is this needs to be converted to a template. So on the top left, go to File, come down to Save As, go ahead and find the location that you would like to save your file at. So for now, I'm going to say this PC, and I'm going to just choose Downloads. All right. The important thing here is the file type. Now, currently it says PowerPoint presentation. What we want to do is go down here and look for PowerPoint template right over here. .potx. Okay. Now from here, you need to go ahead and have a look for a new folder. Let's give it a name. So we're going to say template 1, and we're going to save this. Now this is saved locally on our hard drive. And now we want to go in here. We're going to go to Design, and this is the presentation that we would like to apply this template to. Use this drop-down theme icon here. Go and click on Browse for Themes. So here you go. We've now uploaded or applied this template, and you can see now that this is what it will look like. Of course, if there's data in here, it will start to look like this one right over here. So let's just go back here, and you can see that this theme will be applied as a template to this presentation over here.